Hello friends, I'm Dipin. In this video I'm discussing about ftell function. ftell. This function returns the file position of the specified string. Okay. Uh, Using this function, we can send the file to the specified position. So I am writing the program. So yes, include stdio.h yes include conio.h yes include stdlib.h. Next I'm writing here void main. Next I'm writing file pointer file the fp, and this here we are using ftell function. Generally we can use ftell function to get the total size of the file. Okay, use to get total size of the file. So to get therefore I am taking another variable, that is length variable. Opening the file pointer open file .txt with read mode fseek fp file pointer position suppose 0 and send to the end of the file. Therefore writing seek int length equal ftell fp f close fp. Now I'm displaying the size of the file. So put in f size of file %d bytes. length gets us 7 to file, compiling, success, and run the program. 24 bytes. This is the size of the file, okay, and the file is moved to the position. It's specified position, okay. So thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video.